Samsung Galaxy F62, laser green, 128 GB, 6 GB RAM. The laser green of the Samsung Galaxy F62 shimmered under the harsh factory lights, a newly minted piece of technology ready to embark on its journey. It felt solid in the robotic arm that carefully placed it into its box, nestled amongst its companions, a 2.5W travel adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a tiny SIM ejector pin, the tools for its imminent connection to the human world. This particular F62 held the promise of enduring power within its 9.5mm frame, a colossal 7000 mAh battery waiting to be unleashed. The engineers had meticulously crafted it to keep up with the demands of a modern life, a life filled with endless scrolling, high-octane gaming, and constant connection. Inside its sleek chassis lay the heart of its capabilities, the Exynos 9825 processor. A flagship chip, now finding its place in this more accessible device, promising smooth multitasking and the muscle to handle even the most demanding games, fueled by the Mali G76 GPU. The 6 GB of RAM stood ready to juggle applications, ensuring a seamless experience for its future owner. And the 128 GB of internal storage offered ample space for memories, apps, and games, with the comforting option of expansion up to a terabyte via a dedicated microSD slot, a thoughtful inclusion for those who truly lived digitally. The front of the device was dominated by a vibrant 6.7-inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED plus Infinity display. Pixels danced, ready to render vivid colors and sharp details, whether displaying the intricate worlds of a game or the familiar faces of loved ones on a video call. The tiny punch hole cutout for the 32MP front camera was a subtle nod to modern design, maximizing screen real estate for immersive viewing. On the rear, a quad-camera setup stood sentinel, a versatile array of lenses promising to capture life's moments with clarity and depth. The 64MP main sensor, accompanied by an ultra-wide, macro, and depth lens, offered a toolkit for various photographic adventures, from sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups. Features like single take, night mode, and super slow motion hinted at the creative possibilities it held. The laser green hue, catching the light in the box, spoke of a modern aesthetic, a device designed to be noticed. Its sleek build promised a comfortable grip, despite the substantial battery within. As the box was sealed, it became a vessel carrying not just a phone, but a promise of power that lasts, performance that impresses, and a visual experience that delights. It was ready to leave the sterile environment of the factory and enter the vibrant, unpredictable world of its future owner, ready to become an indispensable tool for connection, entertainment, and memory making. The "just here" tag on the product listing felt almost like a whispered anticipation the Samsung Galaxy F62 had arrived, ready to make its mark.